lot of people say to me that all their colleagues in their organisations don't really understand the challenges of payroll, and therefore it's very hard for them to get a business case across the line. What I would suggest to those people is, particularly, business cases there has to be a financial business case. Yes, you've got all the benefits as well, but let's have a look at the financials. And what we know is that the more manual your payroll operation is, the more expensive it will cost, because you've got more humans in the pay office, you've got more manual things happening out on sites. So I would actually encourage people to cost their payroll function, actually benchmark it. So all that entails is adding up everything that happens in a payroll process. And as I say, the payroll process happens when someone comes to the office or to the place of work. So you might have people out on multiple sites where you might have a site manager who might take, 30 minutes a day to actually manage people's timesheets or sign them off. So make sure you add those costs, or those human costs, as well as the human costs in the pay office. Then you've got your technology cost, of course. So you've got, you may or may not have a time and attendance or payroll system, or rostering could be part of your payroll technology as well. Then you've got other costs like training and recruitment and travel. A lot of payroll teams are traveling out to sites as well. Add all those costs up, and then just do a division of those costs divided by the number of pay slips that you pay a year, and you'll get a per pay slip cost. Then have a look at our payroll benchmarking report and have a look for your industry and for your size of employer, what the average payslip cost is. And also, we do in some of the reports talk about the top 25%. So if you've got access to that data, have a look what the top 25% are doing in your industry, and then compare the cost of your payroll to what the benchmarking report suggests it could be. Now, typically, if you're looking at for new support or new technology, typically your cost per payslip will be higher than that is reported in our benchmarking study, and therefore that will form the basis of your business case financially. Obviously, then you need to look at things like how to fix your colleagues. So, what support if you had a business case, which there's a financial benefit, but what are the benefits to your colleagues? How are they going to be able to access information easier? What are the benefits to your employees? What does the employee experience feel like if this business case actually was approved? So these are the things that I think are critical to a business case. And it's certainly more than just looking at it as a plug and play technology project.